Alexa, open Burger Battle Helper.
Welcome. Say something to get started.
What is the Burger Bomb card?
The Burger Bomb card allows you to blow up another player's burger by sending their ingredients to the graveyard.
Does a burger force field protect against Burger Bomb?
Yes, the Burger Force Field card protects your burger from all battle cards, including the Burger Bomb card.
Does Burger Force Field protect against Burger Apocalypse?
No, the Burger Force Field does not protect against the Burger Apocalypse card. When the Burger Apocalypse card is played, all players' ingredients are destroyed, regardless of protection.
What is the Picky Eater card?
The Picky Eater card allows you to throw another player's lettuce, tomato, or onion in the graveyard.
What is the Gonna Eat That card?
The Gonna Eat That card allows you to steal another player's ingredient and add it to your burger.
How can I remove a battle card from my burger?
You can use the Destroy card to remove a battle card from your burger or another player's burger. The battle card will be placed in the graveyard.
How many players can play?
Burger Battle can be played with 2 to 6 players.
How long does a game last?
A game of Burger Battle typically lasts 15 to 45 minutes.
Quit.